What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video on my channel, or welcome to this video if you guys are new. So I've seen a lot of questions in the Garry's mod server world on is everything the same, making a server the same, and I haven't really seen any new server videos being made as of 2017 yet. There's not really any new methods. There's just some different file names within the deep of the server that you guys do not need to know about them whatsoever. They do not affect you or anything else physically, so don't even worry about it. So to make a Garry's mod server, just a simple Garry's mod server, nothing added to it. All you guys need is Steam CMD. You can get it from this link in the description below. Do not click this update tool right here. You do not need this tool whatsoever, so please do not download this and do not use it. Some people will say you need it. You don't need it, trust me. So just scroll down a little bit and it'll be this link right here, the Steam CMD. Just go ahead and install that, and once you have that, you'll get this zip folder right here. I'm using WinRAR. Link to WinRAR will be in the description below. So once you get this, just go ahead and create a new folder on your desktop and just name it Steam CMD. Go ahead and open it or extract it if you want. I just usually just drag everything into a folder. It's simple. Just go ahead and close that. You can get rid of this. And now that you have Steam CMD, go ahead and open up Steam CMD and just let it download everything into the Steam CMD folder. Okay, so now once everything's installed from Steam CMD, you can just go ahead and close out of the Steam CMD itself. You guys should have all the same stuff in yours. Just go ahead and minimize this, create a new folder, and this is the actual folder for your Garry's mod server. So let's go ahead and make your server folder. Mine's just going to stay on the desktop. So go back into your Steam CMD, and guys, make sure like once you're downloading all this, just close out of the Steam CMD exe and restart a new one just to refresh everything. Go ahead and open it up. Okay, now once you're in everything, you want to go ahead and type in login anonymous. Go ahead and spell it exactly like that. Do not have any errors in there. A lot of people will make an error and ask me why it's not working. So you'll know when it worked when it says connecting anonymously to Steam public, logged in, okay, waiting for license info, okay, and then it'll drop down and do just this right here. So now once you get to this right here, you want to go ahead and type in force_install_direct space, and then your file location. It's easiest if you guys just like for example, mine is right here on my desktop, so I'll just go ahead and drag it and place it into there, and you'll type it like that. Or if you want, you guys can just go ahead and type your location out exactly how that is, like if that's your location, or wherever yours is at, you know what I mean. Okay, so then just click enter and you'll get down to another Steam right here. Just another blank command line for you again. So then you're gonna go and type in the first thing here, which is gonna be app_update space 4020 space validate, just like that. A lot of people ask me questions on, is 4020 still the Gmod update number? And a lot of people in the comments started rumors that it's not 4020. I promise you it is still 4020. Just go ahead and do validate at the end of it just to speed a lot of the steps up. So guys, I will get back to you as soon as this is done downloading. So as soon as you guys are done downloading the Garry's mod part of this, you're going to immediately type in app_update space 232330 space validate, just like that. Go ahead and let that download. And this is the Counter-Strike source. You're going to need this for mainly everything that you do on Garry's mod. So I'll be back as soon as this is done downloading once again. Alrighty guys, that was the last step that you need to do in Steam CMD, but just keep it open just in case you get this error that sometimes happens when you start it up. If I get the error, I'll obviously show you how to fix the error and continue on with your server. So next, just minimize that. Go back into your Garry's mod server. Now you should have everything like this. Now you're not done yet. Do not open this SRCDS. Just don't even open it. Honestly, if you open it, I would remake a server, just because I've started this multiple times on accident, and I've gotten a lot of errors and things will not work. So once you do that, the first thing I'm going to have you guys do is go to your Garry's mod, go to CFG. Now to open up these files, so it's really easy, you're going to need Notepad++. Link will be in the description below. Here's where you get it from. Just go ahead and click download, and then click download. I'm not going to do it because obviously I already have it. Then as soon as you get it, just go ahead and right click a folder, go to properties, and then change, and then either it will show up here or you'll scroll down and find it. I'm just going to select it. So when you're in here, go to mount.cfg. Right where it shows these two slashes, go ahead and delete both of them. Do not space anymore. If you space or anything, just close without saving and do it like how I just did there. Go ahead and delete this file location like this. Minimize this for a second. Go into your C-Strike folder right here. Click on the URL bar up here and Control C or right click and copy. Now go back and open up this CFG mount.cfg file again and just go ahead and place it right into there like that. Go ahead and click save, close, and there you go. Next, we're going to go back into the CFG and open up server CFG. Now, link to this will also be in the description below. I'm going to go up in my server CFG, copy this whole thing here, and go ahead and paste this here. This is basically what your server name is going to be on the server list. So I'm just going to name this YouTube. Then your Archon password is basically a password you don't want anybody to see. Just because this is a video, I'm just going to name mine 123. It really doesn't matter what you can set it as. It just, make sure, you set it to what you want the password to be and make sure you don't tell anybody. So this line right here is for your server's password. So right here, how it says delete this whole line if no password. So like it says, I just go ahead and delete the whole entire line if no password. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to go ahead and click save. So we can just go ahead and close out of that. So now guys, go back to your main part of your folder where you see your srcds. Right click in here, go to new, go to text document. You don't have to name it anything, just go ahead and open it. And copy this code that I'm about to show you guys. Link will also be in the description for this. And go ahead and copy this whole entire start code that I have in the description. Go ahead and paste it there just like that. Don't edit anything yet. Go ahead and click file, save as. Make sure you are in your server's files right here. Make sure you go ahead and click the save as type as all files. Delete this whole entire line and name it start.bat and go ahead and click save. Once you do that, you can see the start.bat right here. So you can go ahead and delete this new text document. So now we're going to go ahead and edit this start.bat. So go ahead and right click it and go to edit. So the first thing in here, you want to go ahead and where it says C-Strike right here, name this to Garry's mod just like that. And then the map right here, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it dust. But if you want to change it to something else, you can either download a map file and put it into Garry's mod and maps. And right here, these BSP and nav files. So I'm just going to go ahead and change mine to Flatgrass just to do it. So right click, rename, and then click Control C to get the actual name. Make sure you guys just do what I did there, rename it and copy the whole thing there, Control C or right click and copy, because you guys need the exact name. If you don't get the exact name, it's obviously not going to work because it's not going to know what that is. So in your start code right where it says map ddust, just go ahead and highlight over ddust like that and just go ahead and paste it in there. You guys can go ahead and mess with the max players. I'm just going to leave it how it is because it doesn't matter at this point. So now you're ready to start it up, so just go ahead and start it up. And as you can see, I got the error that I was talking about, that hopefully you guys kept your Steam CMD open. If not, just go ahead and log in anonymously, select your file location again, and do this next step I'm about to show you. If you get this error, just click OK, close out everything. Just close your server, open up your Steam CMD, and this error is caused by your Garry's mod, the 4020 not being validated, even though we already validated it. It just wants to do it again for some reason. I don't know. It's just a weird bug that always happens to me. Just go ahead and do app_update space 4020 space validate. And now I actually did a double space here, so let's go ahead and delete that. And I did a double E. So once you do that, just go ahead and enter that and let that validate. So once again, I'll be right back as soon as this is done downloading. Alright, so then once you're done validating that, guys, now you guys can go ahead and finally close your Steam CMD. Open up your Garry's mod folder again and just go ahead and start it back up. And as you can see, it has fixed the error. Make sure you go ahead and allow access. Just go ahead and click on both the check marks there, allow access. You'll notice two things will pop up. You'll have srcds, watchdog, and the actual console for your server. You don't really need this srcds watchdog. I always just close it out just because it's kind of pointless. Or you guys can just leave it up just to be sure. Go right ahead. So guys, now that my server is up and running, I'm going to go ahead and start up Garry's mod for you just to show you guys that the server is made and I can actually log in and play on my own server. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Garry's mod right now. Alrighty, so I'm going to go to Find Multiplayer Game and I'm going to go to Local Network because I did not port forward. Link to that video will be down in the description below. So here's my server right here, Sandbox, YouTube, as you can see right there. GM Flatgrass, go ahead and join the server. Alrighty, so I'm in my server currently. So guys, to kind of prove that is my server, I can click tab here and it says YouTube. My ping right here is actually 5, and really, you know, because it's hosted, you know, on my own computer and in my own network. So if this wasn't my server, I most likely would not be getting 5 unless the server hosting company was literally right next door. If this video helped you out, please leave a like down below. Let's get this video to about 1 like. That would be amazing, guys. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video.